Aesthetics is a philosophy or concept relating to the appreciation of art and beauty, and it's not a word often associated with architectural elements like windows, doors, and sliding walls, but there's no reason these building components can't be as fashionable as they are functional. One innovative company has been designing and manufacturing high-quality, state-of-the-art windows and doors for over 30 years. Their commercial and residential products are so stylish and elegant, they could be considered art.
My name is Avi Shashan, and I'm the CEO and president for Panda Windows Doors.
The way I started, it was really coincidence. After I finished my time in the military and I started to look what to do in Israel and what's going to be my future, then a friend called me and asked me if I'm willing to come and help with something that he did back there. It's windows and doors, and I didn't have any clue about this industry. So I said, sure, well, no problem. And then I found out that it's very interesting, and I found out that also that I'm really good, and I helped to increase the business. After 2 years, I opened my own business. So in 2004, it was just me and my wife running the business. And since then, the company is doing really well. We're increasing our business. That's the third facility, and now we design and working on the fourth facility, and it's going to be a big jump from where we're at right now to the next one.
I'm Troy Baker, Vice President at Panda Windows Doors. I spend most of my energy figuring out what we can do to do everything better. So that starts with sales and customer service, and it leads into product development and listening to our customers to help design what they want and what they'll need in the future. Some of the things that make Panda different than any competitor out there is, first, we have more than 70 systems in aluminum and steel. So when we develop something, it's to meet a need. We never guide the customer into what we have in inventory because everything we do is built custom for that customer. Another differentiator is our True Radius system that Panda has developed, a true system of curved glass and curved metal, combining technology in an automated system. Here in Las Vegas, innovation always reigns supreme, and it's a continual renewal of buildings and designs and excitement and entertainment, and Panda truly represents that.
Here is an extremely large pivot door, which we can do up to 20 feet tall, 10 feet wide. I'll grab the recessed handle, open it up, and you'll notice that the exterior and the interior are different. So among the 1,000 choices and designs, it's your choice, and we want to fulfill that need.
I'm Ted Shirtliff, Regional Manager for Panda Windows Doors. I cover the East Coast, the Caribbean, and Florida. As the Southeast Regional Manager, my responsibilities are here to get quotes and proposals out to my dealers, reps, designers. We quote architects to give them budgetary numbers so that they can make sure that it works in their project. We help get all of those different types and styles of large open doors and make sure that they get the right one for the right project. We have 70 different lines, and so those different lines fill in all the little nooks and crannies that standard window companies don't do. So oversized corners, 90-degree corners, zero post corners, radius units, all of those things. That's where we fill in and complete the package. We have a great product that's very easy to operate. So moving the doors when they're very big becomes cumbersome. You can have a door that weighs 600 to 1,200 pounds. And with our lift and slide, the mechanism, it moves so smoothly with our track system and the wheels that you can just move it with 1 or 2 fingers back and forth. And it's barefoot and baby friendly. A sliding door versus folding door. A folding door, it folds out, it gives a little bit of style and pizzazz to the building and the structure. The other benefit of folding doors in our system is that we have a pinch-resistant gasketing, meaning that you can actually close the doors on your fingers and then you're not going to go to the hospital, which is great for schools and restaurants where people aren't going to know how to use the door all the time. Energy efficiency is always going to be something that comes up. Energy codes change from time to time. As the codes change, we have improvements in glass. So we like to say glass is glass. So whatever the glass makeup is and how that is, we can do that custom specification and put that into a thermally broken frame. The aluminum is thermally broken by a polyamide isobar. That bar is an insulator, kind of like a plastic insulator. And so when you have cold on the exterior, that doesn't transfer to the interior portion, and vice versa. You're not losing heat out through your windows. This works just like insulated glass, where you have two panes of glass and air in between the glass. So steel is becoming more and more popular. Designers are wanting to have that steel, that industrial look, that slim and trim profile, but they want a modern flair to it. They want to kind of update it so it doesn't look like you're just out of the factory, but maybe that you've refinished something and made it new again. It gives it that modern flair. Because steel is stronger than aluminum or wood, you can go taller, larger, and what that really means is that you get more daylight because it comes in from the exterior. So as we look at this system, when it closes down, instead of having a wide sight interruption, it is slim and trim. So that adds to the wow factor of steel.
My name is Cassandra Grommel. I am the Regional Sales Manager for the West Coast Residential Market and Panda Tech Specialist for Panda Windows and Doors. I come from a background of design, and this position allows for me to mesh the creativity side of me along with the technical side. It's a perfect marriage of the two. I have always had a passion for design, construction, helping folks find their vision in what ultimately becomes their home. The wonderful thing with Panda Windows and Doors is our vast capabilities. We can exceed limitations in terms of size and customization. We manufacture a variety of different systems. That includes lift-in slides, thin line aluminum, multi-slide doors, custom pivot doors, windows, and we offer that in aluminum, steel, aluminum with wood cladding, different finish options. We can do custom color, powder coat finishes, coastal applications. We use aluminum composite materials. We have faux wood powder coat. We have a new siding line that we can incorporate into our door systems. There's nothing quite like what we're able to do. So all of those capabilities that we have are able to be done, for the most part, right here in Las Vegas. We have our manufacturing facility located here. I'm able to watch these projects go from start to finish, from a piece of paper to installed in someone's home.
My name is Eli Saavedra. I'm currently the general manager here at Panda Windows and Doors. I'm pretty much deal with the day-to-day operations, making sure that our project management department is following up with the projects here on production floor, making sure that our sales team is, generating the sales, looking for new business for us to be able to go out there and get with, maybe commercial or residential business, and just being the buffer between all of the departments here at the company, trying to make sure that everybody flows seamlessly to where we don't have any issues on the production floor or up in the office with accounting or our sales team. Here at the factory, we're a custom luxury company. All of our stuff is custom. No project is always the same project here. We specify it to the needs of the client. We have a team that powder coats. We have 25 standard colors. If a customer wants a custom color, we just order that powder and then we bring it here for us to spray it. If there's something they want, I'm pretty sure we can make it here. So we don't like to say no. If they have an idea, it's our job to make sure that their ideas and designs come true.
Eli, what project do we have here?
This is actually a local project here in Nevada. Currently, we have it on our CNC machine, computer numerical control. What happens right now, as you can see, it's starting to, the machine will grab it, the aluminum, push it through. The operator over here will just enter in the sizes that it should be cut, and then it will, the machine, it does everything itself. It'll cut it to the specs that we need. Once this one aluminum is done, then this will push the next one over, so it goes one by one. This is our fabrication stage. We have, this is our UTS 60, which are our ultra thin profile for our folding doors. Right now they're just assembling it. This is our tables where they assemble everything. They're going to bring another panel here to connect it.
How many weeks did it take to do this?
Right now we're doing our folding doors. If it's a powder coat, which we do all our powder coats in-house, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks.
6 to 8 weeks, excellent.
Yeah. So this is the final stop of the project. We started at the CNC. I showed you the fabrication, where they assemble it. And now here is our test wall. Here is where we check all our quality control assurances, making sure all the, it's leveled with the track and the header, making sure the door, whatever system it is, if it opens in swing or out swing, the handles, the mechanism inside the handles are working, all the hinges and stuff like that. So here is where we want to make sure the customers rest assured that it left Panda fully working. So we send photos and actual videos to the client showing them that, hey, your project is done, it's been tested, it passed all our checklist of quality control, and now it's getting ready to be packaged and sent out to you.
Based in Las Vegas, they've designed and manufactured ultra-modern windows and doors for distinguished clientele in the high-end hospitality, retail, automotive, and sports industries. But the creative folks at Panda aren't ones to rest on their laurels. They regularly develop new and innovative systems to bring to the market.
We're really excited about our newest product called Panda Tech. Panda Tech is an aluminum cladding material that can be done in any color, but it's especially great in faux wood. And we've got a variety of colors, a variety of choices, a variety of woods all to use. It replaces where conventional wood would be used, interior or exterior.
The new feature with this system is that we integrate LED lighting, and we can customize that for any shape and any configuration.
We stay ahead of the competition by developing a lot of product. We know the market, we know what is in Europe, we know what is in other places, and we know what's going on here in the US, and we always try to be better, be ahead. And that's mean a lot of developing here in-house. We're developing and try to get better, try to introduce more product to the market, see what is new in the market, and take idea over there and then take it to the next level here. So that's pretty much what we are doing consistently.
Research and design at Panda is driven by what architects, interior designers, developers, and contractors are asking for. We put our minds together with engineering and led by our founder and owner, Avi Shoshan, who is a master at design, and we try to create those solutions that meet their needs.
Panda future, we try to look at the 5 years, 10 years from now, and I think Panda is going to be much larger. We're going to try to get to more industry that we are not touching right now, more developing, and we're going to come to the point that Panda is going to be known everywhere in the country.
Where most people believe whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, Panda Windows and Doors is the exception. We love sharing our dreams and visions and your dreams and designs and ship them wherever you want.
For more information about Panda Window and Doors' extensive line of elegant, innovative, high-quality commercial and residential windows and doors, check out their website at panda-windows.com.